Okay, now we are going to consider a over b plus b over a, which is equal to 2. Now what's the LCM? The LCM here is what? AB. We can just say AB. So we roll a line AB. Then AB divided by A. AB divided by B. A will be left. Then A times A will be A square plus AB divided by A. B will be left. B times B, B square. Everything equal to 2. Then we say, then we cross multiply. We will have something like this: A square plus B square equal to 2AB. Then I can say that I will take this 2AB to this point, to this side. It will now look like this: A square minus 2AB plus B square equal to 0. Now, if we have something like this, for example, we have something like this: A minus B. If we square it now, let's say we open this bracket: A minus B, A minus B. So expand it. On expansion, we have something like this. That's A square minus 2AB plus B square. So I can say that this whole expression here now is the same as bracket A minus B square. So we can use this one now to replace this. So it will now be what? A minus B square equal to 0. Now, if you look at the question, they say we should find A minus B. Now, we already know that this whole place now is the same thing as this. So now I can say A minus B equal to the square root of 0, which is A minus B is therefore equal to what? 0.